Hello dear students, welcome to GATE Wallah. So I welcome you all in this batch orientation session for GATE 2027 and specifically for the Parakram batch. So Parakram batch for EE and ECE student, Electrical Engineering and Electronics and Communication Engineering, Parakram batch for 2027. Why batch orientation is important and you should watch before going to start your batch so that you already know about how to access the lectures, whenever you feel difficulty, how to contact the team, and in which particular batch what are the facilities you are getting. So what is the need of khazana, what is Infinity and Infinity Pro features. So that all the information I am going to provide you in this single session so that you will well prepared before starting your live lectures or recorded lectures. Okay, so without wasting your time, let's start this session. So at the first screen, you are seeing that here we are having Electronics Engineering Parakram 2.0 GATE 2027 Batch D. So be careful, it is about Batch D. Okay, so 2027 is the targeted exam of the GATE and it is Parakram 2.0 Batch D. It is for electronics and it is for electrical engineering. The name is very much important, which whenever you are purchasing any course, then at that time remember the name of the batch. Accordingly, you will be getting the access of the content. Accordingly, your planner is going throughout the year. Your classes will be going on based on that planner or that sequence that we are going to follow. Okay, so that's why always remember the name of the batch. Now, so Parakram batch features. So in Parakram batch, any students is enrolling, then what are the features you are getting? Always remember Parakram is a 1 year batch and Shrestha is a 2-year batch, 2-year program, right? And Vijay batch is not a comprehensive batch, that is just you can say batch for experienced students who have already prepared for the examination and they want to improve their rank. So Parakram and Shrestha are very similar batch. The only difference is 1 year or 2-year course, right? So in the Parakram batch, what are the features you are getting? You will be getting batch for GATE 2027 aspirants. So this batch is for GATE 2027 aspirant who are preparing for GATE 2027. Live plus recorded lectures by the faculty. You will be getting some of the lectures live and some of the lectures recorded, because you know very well it is July month. So obviously some of the lectures, some of the subjects you will be getting in the recorded format so that your syllabus will be completed on the time. Next is prerequisite lectures for strong foundation. So we always provide prerequisites of fundamental subjects like mathematics, network, basics of electronics, so that you will be well prepared before entering for the GATE preparation, right? So these are the prerequisite lectures for strong foundation. DPPs along with solutions. So daily practice questions will be provided. So that is known as practice sheet, and you will be having the practice sheet solution, video solution as well as typed format solution, so that you can practice the questions as many as questions you can solve. So PYQs in the quiz format with video solutions. So all the PYQs of the GATE examination for a particular subjects are in the quiz format, so that you can appear in the quiz, you can solve the questions and then identify your mistake, and then after seeing the solution you can rectify the mistake. Lecture planner has been uploaded in the batch notice section. So if you go to the app of the PW GATE Wallah, then you will see that the notice section is having the yearly planner and individual planner of the each subject when it is getting started. Okay, so all the planner is provided in the notice section. MCQ, MSQ and NET type, all the questions will be solved in the classroom, so that you will be prepared for the examination in the well manner. Detailed analysis report after the test. Whenever you are appearing in the test, you will be getting the detailed analysis report. So regular tests are conducting. Doubt engine is also there, so that you can ask the doubt. Okay, so what is yearly planner for this Parakram 2027 2.0 batch, that is Parakram D batch? So yearly planner is from Thursday, July 23. Important date, you should notice that date. Engineering mathematics, that is very much important subject for GATE examination. Okay, approximately 13 to 15 marks you get in the mathematics. So this engineering mathematics is getting started from July 23 in this batch, and it is getting ended on Wednesday, September 30. So July to September, your maths will be going on. The duration of this maths class is 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. 1 hour classes. Okay. So regularly your engineering maths will be going on. Then general aptitude recorded formats. So general aptitude, that is another important subject, is provided to you in the recorded format. That will start from July 28, means each lecture by lecture you can see, okay, recorded format, so that you will be having the habit of watching the lectures on the time. Okay. EDC, electronic devices and circuit, it will start in September 24 and it will end on November 27, and so on so on. If you see, communication system will be ended on December 30, and then COA on December 30, and then control system December 11, and remaining network theory, digital electronic signal system, EFT, verbal aptitude and analog electronics will be provided in recorded format for this D batch. So this is the yearly planner for the electronics and communication engineering. From this, you can see that you will be able to complete almost syllabus before the GATE examination. It is never too late. So in the July month, if you are preparing, and honestly, I'm saying it is not just a session, that if any student is starting preparation from July end or just from the beginning of the August, it's then also you are having a sufficient time to score well in the GATE examination. If you plan accordingly and maintain the accuracy, you can score good marks in the GATE examination. Similarly, for electrical engineering, again the starting subject is engineering mathematics from 23rd of July, that is Thursday, and it will goes on up to September 30, and it is the timing of the class is 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. That is the timing. And the so on control system, and then measurement will be provided recorded format. Electrical machine will be in the live format. Then signal system recorded, power electronics recorded, power system will be in the morning and it will be in the live format. And then these all subject will be provided in recorded format to all of you. Okay. So this is the planner of the electrical engineering. Now faculty panel. For electrical and electronics engineering, you are having a big faculty panel, and all the faculties are having very rich experience in their respective subject. So probably all of you might know all the faculties for their particular subject. So there is nothing to discuss about this slide because these are well known faculties. Okay. So next, what are the plans, okay, for the admissions? If you are thinking about to complete the GATE syllabus for 2027, then what is the batch features? Okay. So here we are having three kind of batches. Okay, you are going for the Parakram batch, no doubt, but in the Parakram batch you can have three plan, that is normal plan, Infinity plan or Infinity Pro. I recommend all the students who are watching my video right now, always try to go at least for the Infinity batch, at least for the Infinity batch. What do you mean by that? I really interested if students are going for Infinity batch. Okay, it is recommended by me, Infinity batch, or you can go for Infinity Pro. This depends on your choice, but compared to normal, I will recommend at least go for Infinity, or you can go for Infinity Pro, no doubt, because you are having the additional features in Infinity Pro compared to Infinity, and in the Infinity compared to normal. But in the Infinity, at least we are having which important feature that I like most at the PW, that is Khazana. So one by one I am discussing. If you go for any of the plan, you will be having these starting 4 features in all the batches. Meaning is that in all the cases, on all the plan, you will be having live and recorded lectures. There is no partiality. All students, even enrolling in any plan, they will be having the live and recorded lectures. Topic wise practice sheet, all the practice sheet will be provided to you. All the necessary things for the preparation is always provided to you. Test with video solution will be provided to you. Doubt solving provided to you. There is nothing changed. Okay, these all the things will be provided to you even though you go for the normal plan, Infinity or Infinity Pro. What is Infinity Learning? This Infinity Learning, this feature is available from the Infinity plan, or Infinity Pro is also having. Why this Khazana is important? Why I used to say this Khazana is important? Because it is important. Why so? Suppose you are in the college and you are going for your semester examination, and suppose at that time you want to prepare control system for the semester preparation, semester examination. Then suppose in your batch, suppose signal system is going on and you are not interested in the signal system right now, and you are interested to study control system because it is aligned with your semester examination, then from the khazana you can watch the control system because it is already done in some of the batches and then it is provided in the recorded format for you. In the Parakram other batch, Parakram C or A or for 2026, if it is completed, it will be provided in the it is provided you in a recorded format, so you can watch according to your choice. And another benefit of the khazana is, suppose there is always a possibility that a student can like one of the teacher most compared to other, that is always possible. Okay, or suppose 100 students are studying in particular class, suppose 2 students are not getting connected with particular subject with particular teacher, then they are having the choice of other faculty as well. So for particular subject, if 2 or 3 teachers are teaching, then you can elect the teacher, you can study from anyone according to your choice. That is the benefit of the khazana. That's why I like it most, because you should have freedom to study, okay, the best possible content for you. Okay, next, in the infinity learning that is available in the normal plan, you will be getting GATE P by Q book. So this is the additional feature that in the normal plan you don't get. So GATE P by Q book, GATE test series. So this test series was the weekly test series. It is GATE test series you will be getting free of cost. One-to-one mentorship you will also get. Interview guidance program will also get. Interview guidance. Next, what is Infinity Pro? What is extra in the Infinity Pro compared to Infinity plan? So in the Infinity Pro you are having Abhyas practice book, a set of 3 workbooks. I will tell you more feature about these Abhyas books. Free access to Super 1500 batch. So in the October-November we will be having the Super 1500 batch where we are solving questions directly in the class for your good practice. That batch will be provided you free of cost if you enroll for the Infinity Pro. Otherwise, if student enroll for the normal or Infinity plan, they have to purchase this batch separately. Closed group with faculties, you will be having some Telegram group or other groups where you can closely discuss with the faculties. Performance review session with faculty, you will analyze your performance, PWPI and other features as well. Okay, so these are the features you are having. Now let's come to the Abhyas book. There are 3 books you are having in the Abhyas. What you will get? Practice question tailored for the GATE. So there will be a designed questions which is perfectly matching with the pattern of the GATE examination. Complete coverage as per latest GATE syllabus. So whatever the GATE syllabus is there, according to that it is covered. Okay, all the topics. Detailed, easy to follow text solution. Detailed solution is there. Expert design content by top faculties. Difficulty wise organized question, label 1, label 2, like that, so that initially you will solve easy question, then you will go for the difficult one. And then you are having what is engineers kit pro that you are getting in the Infinity Pro. You will be having a kit where you are having a very good quality of the bag, earbuds, and then you are having some stickers, and then you are having some laptop stand so that you can study well. And then you are having the Abhyas books, as I told you already. Okay, so these are the features, and some of the diaries you are having for noting down everything. So PW bag, PW diary, PW pen set, laptop stand, PSU magazine, and poster, earbuds, and stickers. Next, exploring the batch features. So what are the batch features? So how you can utilize the batch? So you will go through the PW app, then you can search for the Parakram 2.0 GATE 2027 batch D English for electronics. If you belongs to the electrical, just type electrical engineering, okay, or electrical. Then you search or click on it, then you will see this kind of poster where you can buy now. You can click on buy now and you can purchase the batches according to your plan, whatever the normal plan, Infinity, that's you can do later on. Okay, then after enrolling in the batch, this kind of window will be available for you where all the subjects notice section is there, where you can get all the notices, that is planner, yearly planner, and subject wise planner. Starter kits you are having. Subject name, analog electronic devices, computer organization, communication system. So whenever subject is starting in the live format, suppose communication engineering is starting, communication system is starting, then in this section if you go one by one, you will be able to see the lectures, live lectures links will be there, and you can click on that and you can enjoy the lectures. And suppose subject is provided in the recorded format, or if subject is already completed, then it will be available. Suppose computer organization is already completed for you, suppose, then all the lectures will be available in that section. You can go and you can watch the lectures. Okay, next, PW app will also provides the faculty details. You can go for the faculty details as well, but okay, that's not a problem because I already told you all the faculties are experienced faculty, so nothing to worried about that. Yes, but you can check whether your particular faculty you are interested to watch, whether lectures are available or not. It's there, always you should be careful about that, so you should check for that. Okay, no problem, so that you can inform the team. Okay, so already it is available. Multiple times teacher has taught the subject, so already subjects are available if you go for the khajana. Otherwise in the live upcoming lectures will come one by one. Okay, next, all classes and study material will be provided in the under subject section. Okay, so if you go under subject section, so chapter suppose discrete mathematics subject you have choose to study, then in the chapter 1 combinatorics, then mathematical logics, etc, PYQ quiz, Gatopedia, lecture planner, everything you will be able to see. Just explore it and you will definitely learn how to use it. Okay, where you will find the DPPs? So in the lectures you are having all lectures, DPPs, notes. So if you go for the DPP section, you will be able to see the DPPs. Or in the all case, if you click on the all, if you click on this Laplace transform 0 pi, you will be going to the lectures, video lectures you will be watching. But beside this view lectures, you are having some PDF notation, and that is nothing but attachment. Okay, that is class notes, and below it Laplace transform practice sheets. 2 quiz are there, so you can see the practice sheet as well. So from here itself, from the all section, you can get all the things. Okay, so this is the case. So you will be having class notes, DPPs PDF, and then DPP solution and video solution you are having. Okay, next is DPPs will be looking like this. Okay, very neat and clean typing. Okay, with error less, and the doubt engine will be there for solving the student queries and doubts. So doubt engine will be there. Okay, next is watch and suggest us about the lectures. You can suggest us about the lectures. Okay, you can also repeat a report and write to us for any of the issue you face. Okay, you can write or report, don't worry about that. Now technical and app related issues. So whenever you are studying, you are finding any technical issues or app related issues, just you can go to the contact us section in the app, and then you can go for the help center. You are having some already written problems that occurs frequently, that you can select appropriate, okay, section, and then you can write about that. Otherwise, if you don't find any solution from here, then you can go for the contact us, or you can start chat with us. Okay, from here you can just start chatting with the team. You can get resolve your problem very soon. Okay, so you can search your issue and get touch to fix it. Okay, so you can search over here. If it find already available, okay, then in that section you will find your issues that generally student face. Otherwise you can write to us. Okay, so that is the way how to resolve your technical and app related problems. Okay, and then you can continue like that, reach the support team. You will be having like that payment issue, app issue, subscription issues, books issue, batch issues. Okay, so my books are delayed, and you can write in the book section. Okay, reach the support team, so you can write an email. This is email, okay, notation. So where you can write the support team, or directly you can write about that over here. Okay, and then submit. Okay, so this is all about the Parakram 2.0 GATE 2027 batch D for electronics and electrical engineering. If you want to prepare for GATE 2027, still there is a time, and you can prepare well, and you can score a good marks in the GATE exams. I'm not saying that you will be able to complete whole syllabus, but if you prepare 70 to 80% syllabus, then it can give you a very good rank as well, my dear friend. Yes, of course, GATE is all about accuracy. GATE exam, it's not about the quantity, it's all about the quality, my dear friend. So if you maintain the quality and maintaining the accuracy, definitely you can get a good marks and good rank in the GATE examination. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this session. If you still find any difficulty, you can feel free to connect with me at the Telegram, and my Telegram is you can write at the rate KSIITR. This is my username. So if you search by this username, directly you can reach out to me, or you can search on the Telegram if it is possible, Kamesh Sir PW. Okay, like that, then you will get me. Okay, directly you can get connected. Okay, so finally, thank you very much. Bye bye.